what I see. It's a pretty purple one. Look at that. You can see that one? It's a pretty purple. I don't know what strain it is. Look at that, y'all. There's a piece that exists here that is not like any other place I've ever been. Sometimes I just want to share it with you guys. Look around. Look at all these beautiful little poppies that just showed up on my land. How beautiful is that? I love the poppies, guys. Look at it, guys. The poppies are everywhere. The poppies. They're everywhere. We're in like a meadow right now, it feels like. That's the Dragoon Mountains. And over here is the Chiricahuas. There you guys go. We're gonna have a Council of Wise Women session real quick up here. Probably pop something. Y'all know what time it is. See you soon.